MVPs. MVPs are not the most valuable player. It stands for the minimal viable product. This is a short intro video for this week about the MVP process. And what's covered in this week are MVPs, which we'll talk about this week right now. And the next three videos are about the MVP process, which is making it work, making it fast, and then making it pretty. And then the last video is clients can feel the effort. And so when we talk about MVPs, I like to talk about firing bullets before aiming cannons. In software development, MVPs are used all the time. In this case, we need to launch the MVP for an improved client management process and then iterate on it until we get a more complete version. In no world should we attempt the whole thing before we launch. It can be very expensive to fire the cannons before the bullets. Instead, we desperately need to take those little bites and implement those first. We need to eat an elephant one bite at a time. Well, we should do the same thing when implementing process. We should not wait until it's done, complete, and perfect, because it will never be perfect. It will never even be good until it's been tested and refined. One of my clients worked on just improving their weekly status updates for almost a whole quarter before they actually attempted anything else in this process. It helped them successfully turn around an account that they were on the verge of losing. They increased the quality of communications dramatically and had immediate effects on their client relationship. And they were able to do this without implementing the whole process, just by working on the weekly communication cadence and the status updates. So eat an elephant one bite at a time. Start your process with the thing that's going to make the most impact for your organization based upon where you're at today. And so, as we alluded, how do you launch an MVP? I talked earlier about my process for working with processes. And yes, I know that's a little bit meta, but my process for working with processes is make it work, then make it better, and then automate. Well, for an MVP, it's fairly simple and it's very, very similar. It's just a little bit different, which is make it work, then make it fast, and then make it pretty. And so we'll have a video about how to make it work. We'll have a video about how to make it faster. And then we'll have a video about how to make it prettier. I hope you enjoy this week's lessons. Thank you and have a nice day.